Hello everyone. I'm going to explain sentence functions because some students are confused about them. So there are 4 sentence functions in English: declarative, exclamatory, interrogative, and imperative. So declarative sentences state an idea and they end with a period or full stop. So you have an idea like TV is one of the most important inventions. Computers have become essential in our everyday life. The problem with the gene pool is that there is no lifeguard. So these are declarative sentences, and you put a full stop or a period at the end. Next, we have exclamatory sentences. They show strong emotions, and they end with an exclamation mark. Like, for example, when we say, "Oh my God," "Wow," "What a mess this room is," "The cake is ruined," because ruined, it means destroyed. Here is a strong emotion, but usually they come with exclamatory sentence like I said, "Wow," "How beautiful," "What a nice cake," "What a difficult test," and so on. Number 3, interrogative sentences. When you ask a question, as you would expect, they end with a question mark. For example, "How far is it from Aswan to Luxor?" and question mark. "Why did you leave them alone?" and so on. So any question, interrogative sentence, you end it with a question mark. And the last type, which is imperative sentence, you give order or directions, and so they end with the period or sometimes exclamation mark, but let's agree that they end in a period or full stop. So say, "Sit down and listen," you end with the period. "Open this book," "Fasten your seatbelt if you are on a plane," "Turn to page 19, for example. This is an imperative sentence. So in the test again, you have some sentences, and they ask you the function of the sentence and the punctuation mark. So for example, they give you this sentence: "The computer is one of the most important inventions," and you have to write that this sentence is declarative, and you have to write the punctuation mark. Okay, and for example, "What a mess this room is," you are asked to write exclamatory and the punctuation mark, which is the exclamation mark. That's it. So take care of this part.